What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And I was going through my archives because I did a pre-market live June 10th, 2022, 17 days ago. And we hosted Country Pride Entertainment and Edward, which a lot of people, and even himself, describes when you say Edward. Edward is a member of Boss Blunt's think tank. Great. But Edward's a smart guy, stand alone too. And he took the time out on June 10th to show us the algorithm, the pattern it was running, and where we were headed. And tonight I'm going to replay that clip, and then I'll take you to the chart and I'll show you exactly where we're at according to what Edward taught us 17 days ago. So let's get ready. Check out Edward.
Here we go. This is my trading view. This is the same fractal that's on, like I've showed Boss Blunts this. This is the same fractal as July 21 to August 24th in the year of 2021. That's the reference image right here.
Okay. Let me follow this and make sure everybody just watch it. First off, let's talk about why you got red, blue, and yellow lines.
So these are, this is the yellow. They're all separate because sometimes you need to stretch them out. Like see how this one right here? It's playing this part, except it's
stretched out a little more.
It's stretched out. See, yeah. So you're seeing this part right here. It's playing right this area now. Right. Yeah. Or it could be, or it could be this part right here, or it could be like this zone right here. So,
and your red, blue, and yellow lines are all your green inside that box. That green line is all of them combined.
Yes. So, if I can bring this up, it's the same thing as
Okay,
right there. Yeah. And the yellow part, obviously, it's the. Let me bring this out. So the yellow part is just that. No, this is on the 4 hour.
On the 4 hour.
So this is AMC in the 4 hour. So what I took is this. I took this fractal right here. So July, let me show you.
It literally drives me crazy that you can cut those bars patterns and overlay them, and they're perfect, and nobody thinks shit's really going on. Come on, man.
So right here, this is where I took it from.
Okay, yeah,
that's where it is. It's.
I like the way you map that out because I get mine lost and confused where I've cut them from. So I'll use your pattern.
So you can see that what's going on right here is there is this triple claw effect that you're seeing. So it's the same thing that's going on right here. Triple claw.
Right. It looks like a claw.
Yeah, and it happened. It's the same thing that happened here. You had those 3 retests
right there. 1, 2, 3. I see them.
Yeah, right before it just shot up. It's the same thing here. 1, 2, 3. It's reiterating constantly. On this one, it's 1, 2, 3 before a short.
Yeah.
The same thing happened right here. So you had even here 1, and then there's a W. So this also counts as 1 phase, and then it got shorted.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's constantly reiterating, and actually you can see that here too. Like there's a iteration of it, except it's higher, and then it got shorted after it. Wow. It's constantly reiterating itself. But if you, that's what I'm looking for in the current, and that's what it looks like it's sort of doing.
Now your red or your yellow projection line, that's not an accurate projection of price action that you're expecting, right?
No, it's the behavior,
the trajectory that it's expected to go. It's gonna run up, but we can't tell how high yet.
Yep. So if I'm gonna project this part, like it's very difficult because this thing has a much bigger. See, like you can see it's much bigger ledge.
It's so obvious.
So if I stretch it further, you could see how it's, it's reiterating itself, but it's a little bit lower.
Now, at this point, it's going to do one of two things. It's either going to continue up that yellow projection line, or it's going to fall below it and run an exact mirror of it.
Right.
And
So
that's right. I call that a head fake.
So
It couldn't do that.
The bad part, yeah, if the market collapses or something like that, and it gets, it gets shorted down, like that would be really bad. But I think this would be temporary because the DCCC cuts below $10. It's like 25% on their margin or whatever. But I think it just looks more more accurate with
Like that.
yeah, much more accurate if it's aligning for a run. So if we're gonna have a Friday like consolidation day, right? It just goes up right here. I don't know. Like it's between 13 and 14, and then next week it starts to pop, right? Next week it just goes up. I don't know. But the behavior should be, sort of similar. In my opinion, like it should be like, if it's this part, if it's this area,
Yeah.
it should be just like a W, and then ends like right here, and then on
Right,
Monday it just shoots up.
It's got to have its third claw, or it has already developed a third claw.
It's already finished the third claw.
It's finished the third claw, so it's ready for the rip.
Yeah. So these are the three claws. They're already done. We're just forming the final. So the final little handle that's right here. This is what it's forming.
Yeah.
And it's if you actually the way to verify this is if it goes through all the points, and it does. It goes through all the center points, just like the previous time. Isn't that interesting?
I love people say, quit watching the line. And I say, that's what I do for fun, man. I track this son of a bitch or do my best to find it all day long.
This is just insane, right? Like this is a thing that happened in 2021, and it's repeating. This is repeating in the current state.
Is Edward not an awesome guy? Me and Country Pride Entertainment just sat there and was just amazed at his teaching. So, how accurate was he? That was 17 days ago. Well, over here on my trading view, after the meeting was over with, I went and copied the bars pattern for July 21st to August 24th, 2021, and I overlaid it just as he said. Now, if I widen this up a little bit and let us look, when I overlaid it, today should have been the first day of a run-up. And there it is. And people, that is such a significant candle. I mean, it just blew through resistance lines. So, according to Edwards' overlay of July 21st to August 24th, we're right here. We should have another green day tomorrow. Might push us up to around 1675. Now, what I'm trying to do, I'm going to reach out to Edward, see if he wants to go live again. If y'all would like that, comment down below and explain to us where he stands today. This was his projection 17 days ago. Where is he at today? What is he looking forward to for the rest of the week and beyond? So, Edward, if you're listening, buddy, reach out to me on Twitter and or in the Discord, and we'll set it up for a live. Love y'all. Be blessed. See y'all in the next video.